3M Aqua-Pure Under Sink Full Flow Drinking Replacement Water Filter 3MFF100 is designed for use with 3M Aqua-Pure Under Sink Full Flow Drinking Water Filter System 3MFF100. 3M Under Sink Full Flow Water Filter System 3MFF100 is 3M's state-of-the-art drinking water system with a capacity of up to 6,000 gallons. This system provides water filtration on demand for drinking and for cooking purposes. It is NSF certified to reduce particulate, chlorine taste and odor, parasitic protozoan cysts, lead, and select volatile organic compounds, VOCs, such as benzene and p-Dichlorobenzene. A key feature of this water filter is that it is designed to flow at the rate of your faucet, up to 2.5 gallons per minute, minimizing loss of water pressure commonly seen with using water filters. Advanced triple-stage filtration process to help provide cleaner, clearer, better-tasting drinking water. First stage nonwoven media captures the larger particles, then in the second stage, the pleated sub-micron membrane reduces particles as small as 0.2 micron, and finally, the carbon block reduces chlorine, taste, and odor and select VOCs that may be present in the drinking water. Filter change-outs take a few minutes with the Easy Sanitary Quick Change (SQC) design, an industry first for this application. This design allows for fast and easy cartridge change-outs without having to contact the filter media or the need for a filter wrench. To maximize system performance and efficiency, replace every 12 months, at the rated capacity, or sooner if a noticeable reduction in flow occurs. Filter life is dependent on actual use and incoming water quality. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Cleaner water. Reduces particulate, chlorine taste and odor, lead, parasitic protozoan cysts, and select volatile organic compounds, VOCs, such as benzene and p-Dichlorobenzene. Number 2. Full flow. Designed to flow at the rate of your faucet, up to 25 gallons per minute, minimizing water pressure, loss commonly seen with using water filters 3/8 NPT connection fittings 0.30 to 125 psi, 207 to 862 kilopascals pressure range. Number 3. Easy to install. Easier to install than a dedicated faucet under counter drinking water systems because it connects to your existing faucet. It does not require a separate faucet or any holes to be drilled into your countertop. Number 4. Sanitary Quick Change (SQC) design allows for fast and easy change-outs of the 3M Aqua-Pure Under Sink Full Flow Replacement Water Filter 3MFF100 without having to contact the filter media or the need for a filter wrench. Number 5. Built-in shut-off. Head assembly includes a built-in shut-off valve that allows for changing the SQC filters without shutting off the water supply. Number 6. Carbon block filtration. Advanced triple-stage filtration process to help provide cleaner, clearer, better-tasting drinking water. Number 7. NSF Standard 42 and 53 certified. Tested by one of the world's most respected independent certification organizations that helps protect the world's food, water, consumer product, and environment. Number 8. Includes a filter head assembly, filter, and mounting screws. Installation requires some household tools and additional plumbing components. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.